Oh wait, okay. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a server, a perfect server. No, I'm not going to show you how to do plugins because for some freaking reason it won't work. So, after I'm done with this, I will show you. Okay, I'm done. First, you're going to go to Minecraft.net. Don't download it from something other than this website. Just don't. First, you're gonna obviously need to download Minecraft. You're gonna have to download Minecraft Server exe. Download it. Then once you're done with that, it gets a little more complicated, but it's not as complicated. Before we start, type in the search bar CMD. You can do exe, but it'll work the same. Do IP config, enter. Go to your IPv4 address, 192.168.1.3. That's mine, doesn't have to be yours. Once you have that written down, route to login. You do admin and then password for your password. This isn't like my actual account. That would be really. You go to. No, you do not. No. Go to advanced setup, port forwarding, port triggering. You do not touch this. I touched it. You don't touch it. Do not click on port triggering. Just do port forwarding. Then write down the number you just had, and then you click add. Make sure that it is listed in that. I guess it has a check. I don't even know what that does. Scraping me out. Okay, so once you are done with that, you can just exit out of it. Then, oh wait, I don't have an IP. That can be solved. Go to see my IP, and then you can see your IP, and you just write that down, and then you run your server, go into Minecraft, login, and you add your server name, whatever it was. Now, what if you don't want 1.3.5.223. Semicolon 52335? It's kind of complicated. You can easily fix that. noip.com. Go to this. You sign in. Actually, you created an account. Let's see. No, it is not. It is not password. That's not my thing. I promise, it's not. That'd be way too obvious. Then you type in, I don't know. What the frick? Llama? Okay. I guess that's a suggestion. Cool. Yeah, so you can do llama time if you want. You could do, I don't, Zapto.org. It doesn't really matter what you do. Any of these will work. Actually, these won't work because you have to buy this. I mean, you can buy it, but anyways. Zapto, Serverquake, Serve MP3. That's what I have. And then you just update your host. And before you leave the website, like I just did, let's go back to it. You click download, and you download it for Windows, I guess. And once you have downloaded it, it should look something like this. It says duck, D-U-C in capital letters. So just, you run that. Oh wait, I forgot. I don't know if it's just a glitch, the people who made this, but for some reason, if you click on it, it won't open unless you run as administrator. Which, I guess it probably makes sense, but yeah. Make sure, that's mine. Make sure, and then you refresh it, make sure that it is clicked and you exit out of it. Do that. Go into your Minecraft. Now you go to your mine blocks. It's like Roblox, but it's Minecraft. Coolness. So then you enter your new one, and then you're good to go. Actually, no, I'm just kidding. You're not good to go. This looks very complicated, doesn't it? Not really, actually. Go back to your CMD that you wrote down and type in that. You can make your max build height 1 billion if you want. That's probably not a good idea, though. That would, like, melt your system to the core. Online, I want my online mode to be false. No, make sure it's true. I'm gonna enable PvP. Just why not? Difficulty. I'm just not gonna mess with that. This will not be here. When you first go into this will not be here. And by the way, I'm using a program called Notepad++, so make sure you download that. Enable command block. It's not gonna be there. So basically, what you do, you have a new entry on line 23. For some reason, line 23 just works. And 23 is a really popular number. I don't know why. It just is. You do enable -- command -- equals and then true. And then this is the name of your server, so I'm gonna do. No, I don't actually want Lil Wayne for president. That's kind of an inside joke of mine with myself. Yeah. I'm friends with myself. I hate myself. So then you do that, and then it says, "Come back, Carl! Yay!" And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. And well, also, you could also do stuff to it like level seed. You could enter a random seed. I don't even know what spawn NPCS does. You could like comment on it if logic prevails. I currently do not have any texture packs on my computer. I know, I'm ashamed, but it's kind of a long story. Basically, I downloaded too many files that weren't exactly trusted by Norton and had to do a system restore, and yeah, it wasn't very fun. So, yeah. That is how you make your server awesome. And you go into your server, and then you run your Minecraft. You do that. Yeah. You go into your server, and these little guys should be enabled. If you cannot find these in the you cannot find these in the creative thing for blocks. So what you want to do, make sure that one of these is open. Wow, you set it down. Yeah, actually, once it's open, you do give 137. Type in 137, and I'm just gonna use an example. Give There's a manual probably on some Minecraft wiki by some nerd in Australia. No, Australians are awesome. As player 119, and I'll show you what 119 is. This is 119. It is really weird. If you touch it and you are not in a plugin on a server, it will basically make you disappear into some land unless you do type kill, but no one does that. Yay! Yeah, keep, yeah, yay! So yeah, that's pretty much how they work. There is some other stuff, like the build height, and there's probably some other stuff you could add to it, but I wouldn't recommend it unless it's trusted by actual Minecraft people. So if some guy in Venezuela says do it, unless you know the guy. Why did I use Venezuela? I don't even comprehend. Well, yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. How to get your server. And it looks very professional when you have a Zapto.org or whatever. And yeah, that is basically it. If you have any questions or comments or subscribes or like, keep them coming. Yeah, guys, that's it.